Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Copyscape to protect affiliate content from duplicates. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with configuring Copyscape, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the Copyscape website. If you don't have an account, click on the Sign Up button to create one. Choose a suitable plan based on your needs and complete the registration process. Once you have your account, log in using your credentials. After logging in, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the Settings option in the menu. Click on Settings to access your configuration options. In the Settings menu, locate the API Access section. Here, you can generate an API key if you plan to use Copyscape services programmatically. Copy your API key for later use. Next, go back to the dashboard and select the Plagiarism Checker option. Enter the content you want to protect in the provided text box. Make sure to check the box that allows you to protect your content from duplicates. Verify the settings to ensure they reflect your desired level of protection. Once satisfied, save your changes. You will now be able to run checks on your affiliate content. To do this, paste your content into the Plagiarism Checker again. Click on the check button to find duplicate content online. Monitor the results to identify any potential infringements. You can then take necessary actions based on the findings. Regularly repeat this process to maintain ongoing protection over your content. You have now successfully configured Copyscape to safeguard your affiliate content from duplicates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.